Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a ballerina poop from Silly Poo. So let's get started. To draw this Silly Poo, let's first start by drawing the top dollop of poo. So let's come right here and I'm just going to draw a curve that goes all the way up. Nice and round. It's a nice big curve, and about right here we're going to round it off, come right back in and draw another big curve for our first dollop at the top. And my goal is just to end at the same level. Then from there I'm going to start with another curve, and we're going to get wider as we come down. So same thing over here. And we just want to end about the same level. And so then one more. This one can be a little bit bigger and wider. So about right there. And then now we can go ahead and connect it with a curve. Because we need to put a tutu on this ballerina poop, right? So right here, let's just add a little band for the tutu and draw another curve following your top. There. And then now let's draw the skirt part. So right here, I'm just going to come out with a curve, and same thing over here, come out with a curve. Then let's come in here, we're going to start our tutu, just a bunch of curves that goes all the way across. About right there. So we're just kind of aiming to draw it at a curve. So that's your goal. And one more. There. So then now let's finish up the poo, the bottom part. So coming down, say about right here. Just giving it a base and connect. There. Okay, so then now we're basically done with the basic elements. Let's come in here and give it some details. So right here in these two areas, we're just going to connect it with a curve. And one more. Same thing over here. Slightly draw a curve across and connect. Okay, so then now let's bring it to life. So let's come up right here in this first dollop, and we're going to draw a bow right in the center. So start with a circle and then the loops. So very simple little bow. And you can add two little curves inside for some details. Round off my bow a little bit. Okay, so then from there, let's bring it to life right here and put in a circle for an eye on this third layer. And same thing right across. Let's make them draw a cute eye. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now let's give this ballerina here some lashes. I'm just going to add two little curves at the top, add a little curve at the top for each eye. And in between, let's draw a sweet smile. So just a curve and cap it off. And this ballerina here has some heart cheeks. If you like, you can add them right here. So two heart cheeks right on the sides. Before I go, I decided I should add a little mouth right here just to make it extra sweet. So I'm going to come right here and just add a curve. You can add a little tongue right here. I just felt it needed something sweeter. So hopefully you feel that's an improvement and you love how this cute little ballerina poop from Silly Poo turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you loved this just as much as my watermelon poop that I did not too long ago. And please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.